5.6 magnitude earthquake hits parts of Pakistan. A moderate intensity earthquake of magnitude 5.6 rocked Kashmir on Tuesday, causing panic among the residents who ran out of their homes. The epicenter of the quake was 104 kilometers northeast of Muzaffarabad, Azad, Jammu and Kashmir, with a depth of 40 kilometers. The tremors of it were felt in other areas including Swat, Mansehra, Kohat, Mianwali, Peshawar, Islamabad, Rawalpindi and others.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.